What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to a brand new video. Welcome back to the channel. Also, good morning to all of my subscribers, or to wherever you guys are in the world. Right now I'm on my way to meet up with all the homies. We're going to another car meet, guys. It should be fun, so make sure to hit the subscribe button, the like button, turn on the post notifications, follow me on Instagram. I'll pick up the camera once we meet up with everybody, show you guys all the homies' cars. So hope you guys do enjoy the video. Alrighty, guys. 100,000 miles, Alex. I hit 100,000 miles. Can you believe that?
Congratulations.
And no rod bearings.
Milestone.
This is homie Alex's E92 M3 compact, super clean with the performance seats. Got the GTS lip on there. That's just hella nice. Guys, it is super windy today. I don't know what's going on in LA, but I feel like my allergies are hitting really bad. My nose feels stuffy. I don't know, kind of feel like shit, honestly. But we out here, look at that. We both rocking the BMW M3 plate. You already know, no plate gang. Check that out. Bam! No plate gang, G. No plate gang. Hey, you rich.
Broke.
So we got Burberry.
Broke. Chill.
Balenciaga,
chill,
the shorts, bro. What the? Damn. You bro, you rich. I can't compete. I'm rocking essentials. This is for poor people, bro.
Cashmere essentials on right there.
What is it? Cashmere?
Nah, right here. Show you.
We got the homie Eric. I think we're waiting for about 4 more M cars, and then we are ready to roll out to this car meet. I think there's gonna be a lot of cars pulling up today, but we got the pumpkin out. We got the E92s out, bro. E92 boys. Look at Alex inspecting my car. Look at Alex inspecting my car, bro. You funny, bro. Damn, the homie John. Rich. He just got it back, guys, from the shop. Silverstone convertible. We haven't seen John in a minute, guys, but super clean M4 convertible. Carbon ceramic brakes. That's just clean, bro. Stunned on all of us, Rich.
What's up, guys? Good morning.
Good morning. How are you?
What's going on?
Sexy.
Long time no see.
I know.
How you been?
Good. How about you?
Good.
Chilling?
What's up, Alex?
Bro, John's car looks so good. Probably one of the cleanest convertibles out there. These wheels are so freaking nice. God damn, that shit looks clean, bro. He hasn't had his car, I think, for like 3 or 4 months, but he just got it back. Denon M4, the whole thing is like Denon. Got the Denon tune, the exhaust, everything, the intakes, I believe. So super clean convertible M4. Got the M Performance decal. Sheesh. These wheels are nice too. Look at that GTS hood with the carbon. All over areas. Damn. That's just clean, bro. All the E9X are out today. Got all the E9X homies out. Wow, that's just nice, bro. I look way more official with this camera? Rich.
Look like you're getting money with that camera.
Yeah?
Look like you're getting
YouTube money hitting? What up? What's going on? Chilling? That's just so clean. Red F80 with the yellow DRLs, BBSs. Look at that, front mount intakes. That's just nice, bro. Oh, the homie Mark. The G80 pulled up on us too. Sheesh, Rich.
Oh, bro.
What's good?
So tired right now.
Super clean G80, guys. Oh my gosh, that's just fire, bro. Look how this man's parked right here. Typical BMW parking. The homie Alex pulled up with the M6 V10. This is something you guys have not seen on the channel. I don't think we've ever had an M6 V10, and I believe it's manual, right? Oh, it is manual. Nice. That's sick, bro. That's something you guys do not see. It's pretty rare to see an M6 manual. And like I said, we've never had one on the channel, so it's pretty cool to see one for the first time rolling with us and stuff like that. Hopefully we can get some sound clips of this car and get a sound of that glorious V10. As you can see, we got all the homies with, oh, Enrique made it. Rich. Hola. ¿Cómo estás? Good, you? Chilling? We ready to roll? Enrique. Alrighty, guys, we are on the way. We got all the homies with us. Check that out. Rich. She got the top down. It literally sounds like a Lambo. Or Ari. Everybody dropping their tops today. It's nice weather, a little bit windy though. All the fast boys. Lime Rock. Woo! We have made it, guys. We're for sure causing attention today, guys. Oh my god. Look at that. We for sure. Look at it's a Ferrari day too, actually. That's the crazy part. It's all Ferraris if you guys look. All Ferraris. Sheesh. We just broke so many necks. Everybody's checked. We got homies everywhere today. I think everybody's just kind of making their own parking spot, I think, at this point. Everybody's just parking wherever they want to park. But it's cool because there's a mixture of cars. There's like BMWs, Porsches, there's Ferraris, there's, I don't think there's no Lamborghinis here. I think it's a Ferrari marquee day, but any kind of car can pull up. What's up, bro? How are you?
Where's coffee though? You want coffee?
Huh? I don't drink coffee.
No?
I've never, you know what's crazy, bro? Never in my entire life have I had coffee.
What?
Never. I've never had coffee.
But you're Hispanic. It's part of like the.
I know. I don't drink coffee though. Never have, and
Like, what about energy drinks?
I've had one Monster when I was back in high school, and never again. I didn't like the way it made my heart feel. It was very like beating fast. I didn't like that feeling. So no energy drinks and no coffee.
What?
That's crazy,
I don't
huh?
know what life is without coffee, bro.
I know a lot of people say like you need it, like helps you get through. There's people that drink like 3 cups a day, I think.
Yeah.
But I can't do it. I don't know.
What?
Then again, I've never had it, so I can't say anything. But
To the supercharger.
oh no, there's no supercharge on.
It looked like before the air.
No, I wish. Maybe one day.
Big air cooler.
Yeah, no, maybe one day.
Yeah.
Homie Ben's
I got
Beamer.
Hey.
Damn, what the elf? Rich. Look at Lambo at the Ferrari meet. What? That's just clean and red. Oh my gosh, bro. We need a Lambo, guys. So apparently, guys, you can test drive the new Lucid. Should we test drive it? It's pretty sick. I heard they're super fast, like 1,000 horsepower or some shit. Check this out. Damn. That's crazy. We got a Ferrari leaving. We got the GTR. Damn, that's nice. Check that out, guys. Right-hand drive. This is clean too. God damn. We got another Ferrari. You're probably gonna see a lot of classic Ferraris today. We got another one right here. Check that out. Damn. I think this is the 599. I think that's what they call it. I think this is the 360 or 430. I don't really know my Ferraris too much, but it's nice. Classic red with the brown. Engine in the back. We got another one right here. This is a nice one. I don't really know my Ferraris, so I can't really tell you what model it is, but it's gated, it's manual. That's pretty cool. And I believe this is the 488 Pista. It's very nice with the red stripe. Damn, this is a nice spec. Look at the seats. I don't know if you guys can see, but this is a really nice spec on the Ferrari. Another Ferrari. Again, I don't know the model. Oh, it's a 1978 Ferrari 308 GTS Resurrection. It's pretty cool. I got the little book and stuff, tell you some history about it. It's pretty nice. Another one. Another one. Another Ferrari. Another Ferrari. I think this is the 488 Pista as well. I think. God damn, this looks so nice and red. We got another one. Another Pista. Sheesh. I feel like if you get a Ferrari, it has to be in red. I don't know why. I think red or yellow looks probably the best. Got another one. And another one. It's very nice. I think this is the 360. I think that's what it is, Ferrari 360. So I know though, like some Ferraris, 360s, F430 Scuderias and stuff like that, Speciales. Got the Maserati GT, the SUV. Damn, this is nice. In yellow? More Ferraris, more Ferraris. See, I feel like in these type of colors, it's not really like as cool, but in a bright color, it's nice. Got the 458. Ooh, we got a blue one. That's a nice blue one right there. Damn. Is this paint or is it wrap? I think it's paint. God damn, this shit is nice, bro. We got this is the 812, I think it is. What is this? I don't even know what this is. Is it a Ferrari? That's crazy. It's clean. Yeah, a lot of good cars pull up to this meet. Got the Porsche, old school. Look at that. That's nice. Look at the interior on that thing. Sheesh. And then we got the Porsche squad, GT3s, GT4s. We got the Corvette C8. Another GT3. It's a nice one. It's like a silver color. There's a nice M2. Got a front lip. Oh shit, completely gutted. Holy shit, look at that. Nothing on there. You got the wing, carbon wing. That's pretty sick. Very nice. That's pretty sick, check that out. STI. Damn, we got the Lime Rock. We need a photo shoot together, low key. That's clean. We got the Camaro. Holy shit, that's crazy. Let's check it out inside. Oh my gosh, those seats look so uncomfortable. That's crazy. Look at the spoiler.
I have no idea. Fresh?
Sign too.
We can put it here.
That's crazy. And we got the homie Ben with his E92 M3 Silverstone on the FIRs. Super clean setup. Probably one of my favorite E92s out there. Got the BMW performance seats. Steering wheel, V2 electronic manual with the cage, Silverstone.
Oh yeah, yours is more.
Carbon wing.
There's posture and there's
Damn.
some stitching.
This shit's nice. We got the homie EJ with the M8 competition full Vorsteiner kit. Super clean M8. Probably one of the cleanest M8s out there, honestly. It's perfect. Look at that. God damn, that thing is sick. Got the homies with us. We got another little old school Ferrari out here. It's pretty clean. That's what I love about this lens, guys. It's so wide to capture anything. We got the X7 bridge. But that's what's dope is that you can capture pretty much everything in the frame. So got another little Porsche orange. Let's check out inside real quick. Ah, damn, that's sick. Got some accessories over here. That's pretty clean. You know what's funny, guys? I have this car in a scale model. It's at my dad's office. That's just clean. But yeah, you can come here, chill. It's pretty dope. Look at that. Check engine light. Check this out, guys. That's cool. Right-hand drive too. That is clean. Imagine we get this with all the homies. That's just sick. Go to the beach.
Yeah, that's when they merged with the BMW.
What, these wheels? First
Yes.
BBSs?
This is the first BBS they came up with when they merged with BMW until like 1988.
Really?
They stopped making them. And then BBS they started their own.
Sir.
It's nice.
Now,
Yeah, yeah.
Manual too, dude.
That's sick. Jeez. We got the Audi TT, the baby R8. Wait, so if they don't want to go to Cheesecake Factory, where are you supposed to take them?
Bro, all of them. What do you mean? Elefante. They want you to take them to
El Paseo?
El Paseo.
Mastro's, Boa?
In LA, bro, if the bill ain't $200, you cheap.
Jeez. The big homie Chris pulled up on us. Super clean F80 individual. It's actually, I think, the same color as both cores. They both got yellow DRLs, both 2018 comps, both super clean. They're matching. This driveway is kind of sketch, guys. It's the only thing I don't like about this spot is the driveway. It's kind of steep. Oh, we gotta do a hard turn because love the way the E92 sound, guys. Downshift though. Another one? Should we do another one? Oh my gosh. Sheesh. Got the M squad with us. All M's. Alrighty guys, we are all rolling out. Fun day with the homies. If you did like this video, make sure to hit the subscribe button, like button, turn on the post notifications, follow me on Instagram. I'll see you guys on the next video. Take care. Peace.